Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are well and you are preparing lessons. Now I am here to introduce our new lesson that is more on MS Paint. Student, in the previous class you have already learned how to draw simple drawing. Paint is a simple program to draw pictures on the computer screen and paint them with beautiful colors. It tells about the advanced feature of MS Paint like changing the outline, style, draw curved line and painting with brush. Student, as you know, computers are used for work and study, but they can be great tool for fun too. When making a drawing on a paper, you need art book, pencil, eraser, paint or crayons, etc. When making a drawing on a computer, we need a program that is MS Paint. Now let's start how to open MS Paint. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Now Paint program will appear on the computer screen. Now you can see the title bar. It is at the top of the right side. The title bar shows the title of the page. It has three buttons: minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Some tools used in MS Paint. Pencil tool. It is used for drawing or writing anything with a freehand movement. To make a simple drawing by using pencil tool, follow the given steps. Click on pencil tool from the tool group of Home tab. Now the mouse pointer turn into pencil. As you move your mouse on the canvas, the pencil will start drawing. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used for erasing any part of a picture or text. This is similar to the eraser how you use for pencils. However, this eraser tool can erase of all marks of all colors. Brush tool. It contains different kinds of brushes to draw with a freehand movement, but it can draw thick line. Fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to fill the pictures with different colors. There are two colors options, color 1 and color 2. Text tool. Text tool is used to type letters and numbers on the drawing area. It is used to write text on the canvas. If you have drawn kite on the computer or you want to give their names, so you can use text tool to write names. Color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to select or pick color from our drawing. If you have drawn kite or if you want to color the kite with red or yellow, you can take the color from the color picker tool. Then you will color the kite. Magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to magnify or increase the size of our image. If you want to see the image in big or small size, you can use magnifier tool. Now at the center of the ribbon, given shapes group. These groups are provides us with the different shapes. Let me explain about some tool of this group. Line tool. Line tool is used to draw straight line. Curve tool. Curve tool is used to draw curved line in the drawing. A curve is a bending line. Oval tool. Oval tool is used to draw ellipses or circles. Rounded rectangle tool. Rounded rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles or squares. Polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons. Saving drawing. If you want to save your drawing, click on the paint button and select the save option. The save option window appears on the screen. Type a name in the file name box. Click on the Save button. Now your drawing is saved in the computer. Opening the saved drawing. If you have saved your drawing in any file or you want to open it again, first open Paint by clicking on the Start button. Click All Programs. Click Accessories and click Paint Program. Click on the Paint button and select the Open option. The option window appears. Select the location where the file is saved. Select the file name that you have saved from the list. Click on the Open button. You will find the same drawing. I have drawn one house. How you will color it, I will tell you. First, select the Fill with Color tool and then select the color you want from the color box. Now, bring the paint bucket to the area in the drawing where you want to apply that color. Left click on the mouse to apply the color. Look, the house is filled with yellow except the roof and windows. Now doors are closed with green and windows are colored with blue and roof is colored with red. Look, now the house is painted. Learn how to exit from the paint program. Now click on the File tab. Select the Exit option from the File tab. Drop down list and click on it. The paint program will close itself. Now this is your homework time. Today I am giving you true and false. First, you can increase or decrease the size of a drawing. True. Number 2, you cannot minimize the paint window. False. Number 3, paint software saves your drawing automatically. False. Number 4, a square appears in the drawing area when you select the eraser tool. False. Take the right answer. First, the maximize button of paint. A closes the program, B covers desktop, C hides the program. Answer covers desktop. Number 2, on which bar is the minimize icon present? A title bar, B menu bar, C status bar. Answer title bar. Number 3, which tool is used to spray ink on the drawing area? A airbrush, B spray brush, C dot brush. Answer airbrush. Number 4, in which group is the pencil tool present? A shapes, B tools, C color. Answer tools. Number 5, in which group is the text tool present? A tools, B image, C shapes. Answer tools. Thank you, student.